5 tips for creating engaging Instagram carousels. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 tips for creating engaging Instagram carousels that stop the scroll and boost your engagement. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, always start your carousel with a bold hook. Use a catchy headline or question on the first slide to grab attention instantly. Next, tell a story slide by slide. Break down your content into small, digestible parts so users are encouraged to keep swiping. Use consistent and eye-catching design. Stick to your brand colors and fonts, and make sure the layout is clean and easy to read. Incorporate a mix of visuals and text. Use icons, images, or illustrations to support your message and make the slides visually engaging. End with a strong CTA. Whether it's save this post, leave a comment, or visit the link in bio, your final slide should drive action. And that's how you can create scroll-stopping Instagram carousels that engage your audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. That's all for the video.